Good morning. This has been from the Buggy farm. Been working on this Trailmaster for a few days. Got a big block kit put in it, new carburetor on it, new clutch, new variator, new air filter, and this morning new starter, new CDI box, and it's ready for a ride. Seat but not bolted in. Seat belt's not on. Anybody know anything about a Trail Tech Endurance 2? I don't either. Let's take this buggy for a ride. Sweet starting buggy. Oh yeah, it's 37 degrees and sleeting. It's okay. I think the eye's a little high, but it's gonna be alright. Thanks for watching.